If I was reaching for it, would you stop me? Or maybe make a copy of my most embarrassing moment and play it over and over and show it. I wish I could wipe away the things I said, but I was mentally ill, now I'm medicated. I wish I was someone else sometimes, but that isn't me. I'm not as proud as I used to be. I wish they would tell me the truth. Am I living proof of what happened to you? I'll take all the blame. Substantially, I'm ashamed. I'll take all the stress. I'll carry the weight on my chest. But you wouldn't know what it's like, especially to be mine. The beginning wasn't good, the ending was tonight. Cause I don't wanna hold regrets. I got nothing left, the world is ending. Please come and get me. I don't wanna hold this stress. The world is ending. I hope they all come get me. I feel it's over. I can't trust a soul. If I was reaching for it, would you stop me? Or maybe make a copy of my most embarrassing moment and play it over and over and show it. I wish I could wipe away the things I said, but I was mentally ill, now I'm medicated. I wish I was someone else sometimes, but that isn't me. I'm not as proud as I used to be. I wish they would tell me the truth. Am I living proof of what happened to